Under Article 2 of the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, all sale of goods contracts for $500 or more must be in writing to satisfy the statute of frauds. However, the writing required doesn't need to contain all the material terms and must contain only the quantity of goods to be sold. In Eastern Dental v. Isaac Masel, a federal district court in Pennsylvania considered whether a quantity term was needed in a requirements contract, which is a contract that calls for the seller to provide as many goods as the buyer requires. Eastern Dental Corporation, or EDC, was a manufacturer and distributor of orthodontics products, such as braces. Isaac Masel Company was a manufacturer and distributor of dental products, including the elastics used in braces. In 1973, EDC entered into an oral requirements contract with Masel, under which Masel agreed to sell some of its products to EDC. But because the parties didn't have a written agreement, the business was done solely through invoices and statements that EDC paid. In 1978, EDC submitted a purchase order to Masel. In response, Masel sent EDC a letter terminating their relationship. EDC then attempted to find alternative supply sources for Masel products at wholesale prices but was unsuccessful. Subsequently, EDC sued Masel in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania for breach of the requirements contract, among other things. In response, Masel moved for partial summary judgment, arguing that the contract didn't satisfy the statute of frauds because the parties failed to put the necessary elements in writing. EDC opposed the motion, arguing that invoices, a letter, and the termination letter satisfied the quantity term required.